Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually transform a zombie villager into a normal zombie. A normal zombie, what? A normal villager, I mean. Sorry guys, I meant a zombie villager into a normal villager. So, how to do so? Make sure that you have a Minecraft with potions, specifically potion of weakness and a golden apple, and of course a zombie villager. So let's get ahead and open our Minecraft world, and just like so I will go into my creative world. So let's get a place for us to do it. I think somewhere in here will be good. So let's build a platform to build this thing around it. Come on, cat. Sounds a correct place to stand on. Okay, something like that will work. Let's make it close. Get away, get away, get away. Okay, that's good. Let's make it close so the zombie villager doesn't turn into I mean doesn't turn into something. It will just burn alive. So something like that will work, and I think yeah, we can keep him inside and we can stand here. So what we should do now is get the zombie villager, something like so. And as you can see, what you have to do is you get your potion of weakness and your golden apple, and then throw the potion into him like you can see, and then give him the golden apple. Now as you can see, the particles have been showing. The zombie is shaken as you see now, and by like 3 minutes or 2 minutes in the in real life, I mean not in the game, he will, by the end of time, he will turn into a normal villager. So yeah, that was just with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.